Today, we're diving into Elon Musk's recent $50 million contribution to OpenAI. This generous act by the tech mogul has sparked conversations about the future of artificial intelligence and what it means for us all. Before we sink our teeth into this intriguing topic, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Now, without further ado, let's get started with the overview of Elon Musk's contribution. Elon Musk, the founder of SpaceX and Tesla, has made headlines with a $50 million contribution to OpenAI. This is a significant development given his prior involvement with the organization. Musk, a co-founder of OpenAI back in 2015, had stepped back due to potential conflicts of interest with his other ventures. But his recent contribution signals his ongoing commitment to advancing artificial intelligence in a safe and beneficial manner. OpenAI, a research organization at the forefront of AI development, stands to benefit immensely from this influx of funds. This contribution is more than just a financial boost. It's a testament to Musk's belief in the potential of AI and the necessity of its ethical advancement. So as we ponder the significance of this contribution, we must also consider Musk's vision for AI and its implications for the future. Now let's delve into the implications of this contribution. What does this contribution mean for OpenAI and the future of AI research? Well, at the surface level, it's clear that this generous contribution will provide OpenAI with the financial resources needed to continue its groundbreaking work in the field of artificial intelligence. But it's more than just a financial boost. It's a vote of confidence in the organization and its mission. It's a recognition of the importance of AI research and the potential it holds for our future. This contribution could be the catalyst that accelerates the development of AI technologies across various sectors. We're talking about advancements in language models, improvements in computer vision, and other exciting developments that are currently on the horizon. But it's not just about the technology, it's also about the people. With this funding, OpenAI could expand its team of dedicated researchers and scientists. This means more minds working on the complex challenges and ethical considerations that come with AI development. Moreover, the ripple effects of this contribution could reach far beyond OpenAI itself. It could inspire other organizations and individuals to invest in AI research, leading to a broader, more diverse field of study. This is a momentous occasion for OpenAI and for the wider AI community. It's a step towards a future where AI is developed responsibly, ethically, and for the benefit of all. Now let's consider Musk's vision for AI. Elon Musk has expressed concerns regarding the safety of AI and its potential to surpass human intelligence. Musk has long been an advocate for the responsible development of artificial intelligence. He believes that AI in the wrong hands or without proper safeguards could pose a threat to humanity. He envisions a future where AI is harnessed for the benefit of all, not just a select few. His $50 million contribution to OpenAI can be seen as a testament to this vision. By funding an organization that shares his commitment to ethical AI, Musk is helping to shape a future where artificial intelligence is developed and deployed responsibly. This contribution, then, is not just about advancing AI technology, but about ensuring that this technology is used in a way that is safe and beneficial for everyone. Now we'll discuss the impact on AI and business. Musk's investment in OpenAI could influence the trajectory of AI development in various industries. Let's take a moment to consider the ripple effect this could have on businesses worldwide. OpenAI's research, fueled by Musk's contribution, may lead to advancements in AI technologies, such as language models and computer vision. Imagine the potential applications in healthcare, where AI could improve diagnostics, patient care, and even surgical procedures. It could revolutionize the finance sector, enabling more accurate risk assessment, fraud detection, and personalized customer service. In transportation, we could witness the rise of truly autonomous vehicles, improving safety and efficiency on our roads. Companies eager to harness the power of AI stand to gain significantly from these advancements. They could leverage the fruits of OpenAI's research to drive innovation, enhance productivity, and create novel solutions to age-old problems. This could transform various sectors of the economy, leading to growth and prosperity. But the impact isn't just limited to businesses and industries. This could also set a precedent for other investors and philanthropists, encouraging them to support research organizations like OpenAI. This could lead to a virtuous cycle of investment, research, and development, propelling us towards a future where AI serves humanity in ways we can't even imagine yet. Lastly, let's consider the future of AI with OpenAI and Musk's involvement. OpenAI's work with AI projects are making waves in the tech world. With Musk's contribution, they might achieve more rapid advancements. This financial boost could potentially lead to an acceleration in AI innovation, and the ripple effects of this could be observed across various sectors. Moreover, Musk's involvement, even if indirect, carries significant weight. Known for his outspoken views on AI's potential and its risks, his association with OpenAI may shine a brighter spotlight on the ethical aspects of AI. This increased attention could spur other organizations and governments to prioritize safety and ethical considerations in their AI endeavors. It's an exciting time for AI, and with pioneers like Elon Musk backing the cause, we could be on the cusp of witnessing transformative changes in the landscape of artificial intelligence. Now, let's wrap up our discussion. In conclusion, Elon Musk's $50 million contribution to OpenAI could have significant implications for the future of AI research. This generous investment has the potential to accelerate AI advancements, influence industries far and wide, and underscore the importance of ethical considerations in AI development. So, what's your take on Musk's involvement with OpenAI? We'd love to hear your thoughts. That's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel Global Wealth Forge for more insights on technology and finance.